It's affectionately called a blowout tube. If you're looking for one on the internet, we carry them at Pool Warehouse, but it's important to note, you do want to make it watertight. It's got an 1.5 inch connection or a 2 inch, so you want to make sure you Teflon those up, use any O-rings that might be necessary to keep it watertight. Now, this is more than just a blowout tube for your skimmer. It prevents your skimmer from cracking. Once you have this screwed down in your skimmer, on the off chance you get water on the inside and it freezes, this will prevent your skimmer from cracking. Definitely recommend a blowout tube. And the reason they call it that is it has a cap in the top, depending on the brand you buy, that can be removed. And once you remove that cap, you can use this to blow your lines out, and you can use it to add that RV antifreeze to your skimmer lines and then simply put the cap back on. Don't forget, you're gonna need a blowout tube with your winterizing package. You'll notice on the Aqua Genie skimmer, we've got an 1.5 inch line that's been plugged, and we've got a 2 inch. We're gonna go with the 2 inch that we're using as our suction line. I'm gonna screw our blowout tube in, and we're gonna remove that black cap from the top. And that is where we're gonna put our RV antifreeze. Now, this is meant to change the temperature at which water freezes. So I recommend about 1/2 gallon per line. Try to get all the water out, but you're gonna have some low-lying places where water could potentially freeze. That's the only reason we're adding this 1/2 gallon of antifreeze per skimmer. So you're probably gonna need a funnel. Make sure you pop that in, but we're gonna go ahead and add 1/2 gallon of this RV antifreeze per line.